So today in this video we shall factorize 150x square minus 69xy minus 3y square. So these in all these terms the common here is 3. So remaining 3 times 50 means 150 x square, 3 times 23 means 69 xy minus 3 already came, so y square. Now we factorize this expression. So 3 and first expression 50 x square and last minus y square. So both are same. Now we need the center part. For this we factorize 50. So it is 2 times 25 mean 50, 5 times 5 mean 25. So by multiplying within these numbers we need here minus 23. So 5 times 5 mean 25 and this 2. So minus 25 plus 2, it means it is minus 23. So it is minus 25 xy plus 2 xy. So it is minus 23 xy. So 3 is same. So now we find out common in these both first expression and these both last expression. So common here is 25x. So remaining 25 times 2 mean 50 and x minus 25 and x already came. So remaining is y. Like as in the last term the common here is plus y. So remaining in the first 2x minus y. Like as 3 is same. So now we again find out common in first and last expression. So both contain 2x minus y. So 2x minus y is common and remaining in the first is 25x, in the last is plus y. So 3 times 2x minus y and 25x plus y are the required factors. So this much for today and thanks for watching.